Welcome back, everyone. It is Wellness Wednesday on WJZ at 9, and Dr. Kira Tolson is with us.
Yes, and we were talking all about dental x-rays during this time of year, so thank you for joining us, Dr. K.
Thank you for having me.
So this is an interesting topic because I recently went to the dentist and got the yearly scan, but then for one of them, I was just wondering, how safe is it? Because you always get asked questions, you know, are you like expecting or anything, but can you explain a little further?
Yes, absolutely.
There's more to this story. I don't know what's going on.
We'll talk about that story a little bit later. So dental x-rays are actually exceptionally safe.
Okay.
With the advancements of technology, they have been able to cut the exposure, the radiation exposure, by up to 90% with digital x-rays. So relative to even 10, 15 years ago, when some offices were still using film x-rays, the exposure is just very, very minimal. And as a matter of fact, the American Dental Association just last year released a recommendation that you don't even need the lead apron anymore.
That was my question.
Yeah, and so if you've been in the dental office in the last year and your dentist didn't put the lead apron on, that's why, because the exposure is just that minimal. Now, some offices, including mine, will still put it on more for psychological comfort, you know, because we've come to expect it, but the risk is just really small.
Yeah, that's what I used to see, you know, to put the apron on you was 10 pounds, 15 pounds, and then he used to leave the room and push the button
and
from
run
the
out
other
the
side
room.
of the wall. Yeah, and
You're like, why am I still in here?
That was my whole thing. So now, I mean, they seem very specific. The technology seems very precise.
Yes.
And I guess it's getting better.
Yes, so the scatter is minimized because, like you said, it's very precise, and it just is angled and beamed at the, you know, where we're trying to see. It's not as much scattered to the rest of the body.
Okay.
And so for people, I mean, is there still certain people who maybe should avoid x-rays, or is it pretty, you said, generally safe for pretty much everyone?
Yeah, it's generally safe for kids, even pregnant women. Now, we still do not do x-rays routinely on pregnant women, but if there's an emergency, if we think that there's some kind of infection, it's safe to take them.
Now, x-rays, even if nothing hurts, you come in for a routine, why are the x-rays still needed? Is it just kind of a starting point? What is the purpose?
Sure. So most dental infection and even oral cancer is silent. You don't feel it until it's in its late advanced stage. Okay. So dental x-rays are actually the safest tool that we have to diagnose early. So we're preventing emergencies, preventing pain and more invasive dental procedures.
Okay.
Interesting. And have you ever been in a case where people just aren't comfortable with an x-ray still, even to this day? What other options do they have at that point?
A lot of patients, especially my older patients, still, you know, they were accustomed to how it used to be done with the film x-rays, and there was a significant amount of exposure with that style of x-rays. So what I say is I explain that the technology has changed dramatically, right? It's not what it used to be anymore. And again, it is the safest tool that we have to prevent infection, jaw fractures, oral cancer. And actually the risk is without getting the x-ray.
Okay. And even if you have a range of teeth, like Amy's new Labubu, who only has 9, if you have 9 teeth, you still need the x-rays.
We want to keep those 9 teeth healthy.
9 teeth
yes, yes.
Thank you, Dr. K. Tell folks how they can find you.
We are located in Owings Mills in the LifeBridge building in Foundry Row. You can also search me up on the web at drkiratolson.com.
And you are taking new patients?
We are,
okay,
yes.
Amazing,
Yes.
Dr. K. Thank you.
You only have 9 teeth.
And I love that my Labubu is just making its appearance all day long. Yes, love this.
Happy holiday to you,
Yes,
Dr. K.
Thank you,
Thank you
well.
so much.
Wellness Wednesday on WJZ at 9 is brought to you by Dr. K.